Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to use regular expression to get text or letters or characters from a given string. That means we will separate the text or the letters or the characters from the given string. Similarly, we will be extracting or separating uppercase letters or characters, and also we will be extracting or separating lowercase letters or characters. In the same way, we will be extracting numbers only, and at the end we will be extracting special characters only, and all these things are present in a string, and we will be extracting or separating these things one by one. So we will use regular expression for this purpose. Let's see the code. Let's create a class. Let's have a string which has uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and special characters. This is the string and it has lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers and special characters. Okay, and we are going to extract these things from this given string. Let's get the text or letters or the characters from the given string. For this, this will be the code which will print text or letters or characters only. Let's see the result. Save it and run it. See, these are the letters or characters in the given string. So it is not showing numbers and special characters. Okay. Now let's print uppercase letters only, uppercase letters or characters only. For this, the code is, this is the code. This will print the uppercase letters or characters only. Let's see. Save it and run it. See, these are the uppercase letters or characters present in the given string. Let's move on to the next point. Let's print lowercase letters or characters only this time. For that, the code is this. So this will print lowercase letters or characters only. Let's run it and see the result. Save it and run it. So these are the lowercase letters or characters available in this string. Let's move on to the next point, numbers only. This code will print numbers only. Let's save it and run it to see the result. So these are the numbers present in this string. Let's move on to the next point, special characters only. This is the code to get the special characters only from the given string. Let's save it and run it. So these are the special characters present in this string. This is how you can print or extract or separate the characters or text only, or numbers only, or special characters only, or get uppercase letters only or lowercase letters only from a given string using regular expression. You can use these codes to get other combinations also, such as getting alphanumeric characters or alphanumeric string, or any other combination as required by making necessary changes to these codes. That is all in this video. Thank you for watching this video.